Well, we're really excited. We had about 350 runners come out. This is our first Burke Lake race for the Park Authority, and we had a really great time. The weather held up for us. It didn't rain. We have a program called Take 12, and Take 12 is a fitness initiative that encourages people to go out and get walking, and we wanted people to see how beautiful Burke Lake was and how you can get outside and exercise, and it doesn't cost anything.
I came with a group of people from Providence Recreation Center. There was probably about 15 to 20 of us, and 5 out of our team won awards. So it was great. We had a great time, and this was my first K anything. So I'm really proud that I was able to do the entire run. It's inspired me to get really in shape for next year. So I can win an award.
I went 23:50, and I didn't know what to expect because it was my first one, but I just tried sprinting ahead and seeing where it got me. I didn't know how long it would be. It was a lot longer than I thought it would be, and it was a lot harder, but it was actually a lot more fun than I thought it would be.
As an opportunity with the Charity League to volunteer, we have kids and mothers that like to be outdoors, a lot of mothers that run, and so we thought it was a nice opportunity to be out here on Saturday morning and give back to the Burke community.